So today's project, we're gonna be wrapping these headers. I'm gonna go install them. Try to do it as quick as I can. Got my gloves. I'll be double layering it up because I've been hearing some things that if this shit gets in your hands and it's really bad. Got the little zip ties here. Everybody uses some like lock ties, some different ones, but these are self-tightening. It'll focus right there. But let's get into it and see how long it takes us. So far we got one of the sides done. You can see got some stainless steel ties. So for this style, probably gonna go around this one and then go around this entire piece, and then afterwards I'll probably do like halfway down this one, because like once it gets to like about here is when they start kind of like getting close. So I'll probably do it a little bit halfways and then wrap those two, like I said right there, probably wrap these two together towards the end. They're coming together. Hopefully I can get this done soon, get to the exhaust shop, get it installed, and hopefully we can shoot a little flame with the two-step. And just like that, everything is fully wrapped. Obviously, I mean, you guys can roast me in the comments. It isn't the best. Wasn't trying to make it perfect, just trying to keep as much of the heat out of the engine bay, just because like the stock ones already with the tune are, pretty hot. Makes the engine bay and like the inside of the car a little bit hot. So we'll see how this performs. If not, I mean, we can go back in there and give it some touch-ups. But let's head over to the shop and get this shit installed. So we're now officially heading to the shop. Took a little bit longer. Thankfully the shop closes at 7:30. I'll get you guys a little cold start too. Car's not that cold, but it's the stock header tune. You can see dirty old engine, filthy. Gotta get there. Got a lot of cars in here though. A bunch of stuff and tune things. I need the tender. The tender I'm saying some clean whips. And the homie's car over here. Fucking turbo. Sick shit. Like I said, shout out DreamWorks. Had to slap on a stick or two to support, but soon this thing just gotta cool down because I'm getting the headers changed. Gonna be installing some DC sport headers. Just had to give them a quick wrap with the heat stuff, just because I don't want to get the engine bay to get hot. Had a friend who did some headers, had some of his shifter cables get melted, so I ain't trying to have anything like that happen. I'd rather do it right the first time. I did hear that it gives a little bit more corrosion or like something goes wrong, but little price to pay to save all the cables and all this other stuff inside, Yeah, with the hole. Gotta figure out where the exhaust leak is coming from. Don't know. I was having an oil leak, sadly, in the front. So we'll see what it is. I know they got me right, so I have to be driving this thing home. So we'll find out the leak, get it fixed. Also tuning this thing over here. Crazy looking. Seems like it sounds a lot quieter. They put the new header. Just gotta put it up, see where the exhaust leak is. I'm pretty sure for the actual oil leak that I had might be my VTEC solenoid gasket and then the valve train gasket. At least just for right now, so we'll see. Slowly. leak up there. What the fuck? What is that one? That's the fucked up one. Alright, well, we got the car home. Sadly, we still have the exhaust leak because the flange gasket that I got from AutoZone was actually the wrong size. A little bit too big for the exhaust that I have. But then, I guess the other good thing was, found those leaks. I think it's the VTEC solenoid, as well as the valve train, or the valve cover. So I'm gonna get those, pick up those parts tomorrow morning, get all that stuff fixed up. And I'm pretty sure once I get the leak that's right here, right under the header, I should be able to spit a flame out the back. The reason that I can't right now is that the leak that's under here is causing it to just basically burst the flame down instead of, sending it all the way to the back of the exhaust. Stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, I'll show you guys the vehicle, and then we'll showcase the exhaust. But so far, for the most part, with the new header, been feeling like it's a little bit quieter as opposed to louder. But I'll get some more clips for you guys tomorrow morning. We're currently just waiting for the car to cool down a little bit. Got the other whips over here. The man. Popping the engine bay. And on this road, it was like, I was like, these roads get fucking. It's not that bad. Sounds good. It's still pretty quick. It actually goes good. Still pretty decent.
It's my favorite around right here. Holy shit. God damn. Man, dude, that shit sounds so fucking good. Holy shit. I have no room. It just sounds so good.
Yeah, it sounds hella clean. I like the natural pops too. It's not.
Yeah.
Everybody fucking tunes their fucking car out just for that shit, and